Imagine this, you're in bed, energy steady, focus sharp, and you keep going. For 4 straight hours. No pills. No side effects. Just a centuries-old African recipe trusted by men for generations. I'm Dr. Senior Men's Health, with 15 years of helping men reclaim stamina, confidence, and performance. For centuries, Africa has guarded this secret. Today, it's yours. And don't miss the third fruit, it's been deeply proven to work faster than anything else you've tried. In moments, I'll reveal the ingredients, the science behind them, and the perfect time to take it so tonight becomes unforgettable. And if this sounds like the solution you've been needing, comment I'm in and click the subscription button so you don't miss out on our daily drops. This recipe works because it targets the 3 pillars of male performance: blood flow, stamina, and hormones, all at once. First, it boosts blood flow naturally. Think of it like upgrading your body's plumbing system, widening the pipes so more blood can rush exactly where it's needed. Better circulation means stronger, longer-lasting performance. Second, it supercharges stamina and energy reserves. It's like switching your body into turbo mode. You're not just starting strong, you're able to keep going without burning out halfway. Third, it improves testosterone balance without any artificial boosters. That means better mood, higher drive, and more muscle support, all from natural ingredients that work with your body, not against it. And here's the beauty of it: when these 3 effects combine, you don't just feel different. You perform different. If you're getting value already, make sure you stay till the end. We're introducing the ingredient soon. And remember, ingredient 3 is a no-miss ingredient. The first ingredient is tiger nuts, a tiny superfood with massive benefits for men. In a Nigerian university study, men who consumed tiger nuts daily saw a 36% improvement in overall sexual performance after just 6 weeks. They are rich in arginine, which helps the body produce more nitric oxide, the key molecule that relaxes blood vessels and increases blood flow to where it matters most. Beyond improving erections, tiger nuts also boost testosterone naturally, help maintain stronger morning wood, and improve sperm motility, essential for fertility. If you've stayed with me this far, it means you're serious about reclaiming your health and vitality. So here's your next step: tap that subscribe button right now. One click lets us know we're reaching the men who truly need this, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll never miss my weekly health tips and powerful updates. I remember a patient in his early 60s who came to me feeling defeated after months of struggling. I told him, try tiger nuts for 3 weeks, trust me. He came back grinning from ear to ear, saying, "Doc, my wife keeps asking what I'm eating." Now, let's talk about the second ingredient, raw honey. This golden powerhouse can boost testosterone by up to 14%, while also improving endurance, energy, and overall performance. Raw honey also acts as a natural antioxidant, protecting blood vessels from damage, which is critical for maintaining healthy erections. It helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing the mid-evening crash that can kill performance, and it boosts nitric oxide levels by almost 50% in some studies. I once treated a man who replaced his processed sugar with a teaspoon of raw honey daily. Within a month, his energy during intimacy returned like he was 20 years younger. The third ingredient is roasted watermelon seeds. A study in the Journal of Urology found that citrulline, abundant in watermelon seeds, can improve erection hardness by 68% in men with mild ED. These seeds are also high in zinc, which is essential for testosterone production and maintaining sexual desire. They improve penile blood vessel function, allowing better nutrient delivery, and support prostate health, which often plays a hidden role in erectile quality. A 58-year-old patient of mine, who had given up on intimacy after years of frustration, started adding ground roasted watermelon seeds to his morning smoothie. 6 weeks later, he told me, "Doc, I'm back in the game, and my wife can't believe it." To prepare tiger nuts for the best results, start by soaking them in clean water overnight to soften their texture and enhance nutrient release. The next morning, rinse them well and blend into a creamy paste, or simply chew them raw for maximum fiber. A handful a day, around 30 to 40 grams, is enough to give you the boost in blood flow, stamina, and testosterone you need without overdoing it. With raw honey, the key is purity. Use a teaspoon to a tablespoon of natural, unprocessed honey. You can take it directly on an empty stomach or mix it into warm, not hot, water to protect its enzymes. This small but mighty dose helps strengthen erections, fuels sexual stamina, and supports healthy testosterone. For watermelon seeds, Roast them lightly to unlock their flavor, then grind into a fine powder. You can also chew them raw if you prefer, but powdered form allows faster nutrient absorption. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons daily is enough to improve penile blood circulation, raise nitric oxide production, and support long-lasting performance. When combining them, you can enjoy each ingredient separately during the day or blend tiger nut paste with honey and watermelon seed powder into a smooth, delicious drink. The ideal timing is about 45 minutes to 1 hour before intimacy, allowing the body to absorb the nutrients and trigger peak blood flow when you need it most. For best results, avoid heavy, oily meals right before taking them so nothing slows down nutrient absorption. Remember, this isn't just about lasting longer, it's about feeling alive, confident, and in control again. Try this recipe, then drop a comment with your results. If it helped you, hit like and share so more men can boost their performance too.